Hey, so right now it's about 11 a.m. I am getting ready to go drive over to Kyle's work to drop off some vet paperwork. He needs to send it over to the vet clinic here just so the dogs can get checked in, so they're up to date and current on everything here. But today's a really exciting day. We're going to pick my Jeep up. So we are on our way to go get the Jeep, and I'm really excited. There's Kyle.
Hey.
So when we sent the Jeep over here, we had to like really clean the Jeep out. So that's like one thing that I'm really excited about, is that it's gonna be super clean when we pick it up, but I'm hoping it doesn't smell. Yeah, so
hopefully it's in one piece.
Yeah, hopefully it's in one piece.
Several small Jeep parts.
Yeah, that's bad. I think we're turning here. No, not here. Sorry, just giving directions at the same time. Yeah, so definitely excited about that, and yeah, we'll show you some clips of it. One thing that we have to do though is that I have to get light conversions for it, so because we drive on the opposite side of the road here and there's really bad fog here, but we have to schedule that and figure that all out in the next couple days. So yay.
All right, we got her back. All in one piece, looking good. Ready to take on Europe. So, how's it feel?
Wonderful.
Back in her own Jeep again.
Yeah,
Life is
now
good.
I have to figure out how to drive on the other side of the road.
This is gonna be crazy. Yeah, she's gonna run over everybody here. Good.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.